my channel. Today's video is another Menu Plan Monday video where I share with you guys what I'm serving my family for meals this week, so I can give you guys kind of some ideas on maybe what to serve your family for meals this week or even tonight. Now usually when I show you guys my meals, I usually show you guys my weekly menu in the picture frame that I have in my family command center. But today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my meal plan this week in my new planner. I am so excited and loving this planner, and I will be doing a review soon on this planner. This is the Mom on the Go planner, and no, I'm not sponsored by them. They probably don't even know me, but I've seen two other people with this and did a review on it, and I saw that it had everything that I needed, so I purchased it for myself. And so I'll be sharing with you guys later on in another video my review on it. But today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my menu plan for this week in the planner, because this planner has a spot in the week section, which I loved, where I could write my meals at. So if you would like to see what I'm serving my family for meals this week, to give you guys some ideas, and then stay tuned to this video. So right here at the bottom of this planner, they have 5 little spaces, which I love because these are the spaces that I want to use. The top one for my workout, so I can get into working out again, but also I want to use the next 4 for my meal planning. And it's perfect because I could do breakfast, lunch, and 2 lines for dinner, because you know dinner tends to have a meat in the side. So I thought this was perfect for meal planning that I can have in my planner before I put it in my picture frame weekly menu in my command center. So let me start with Sunday. Sunday for breakfast was homemade waffles, ramen for lunch, and then chili. I know I put chili in my last week's menu plan, but we actually went to someone's house, so we didn't have the chili that night. So it was since I didn't make it that night, I had it for this week, which was perfect because I could put it in the crock pot Sunday and get my Sunday routine done without worrying that I had to stop to cook. And if you want to see my Sunday routine, I'll put a link on this page right now so you guys can click on my Sunday routine on how I get ready for the week. On Monday, we have matzo meal for breakfast. We're going to have chili dogs for lunch because I'm going to use the leftover chili to make chili dogs. For dinner that night, we're going to have chicken with white rice. My husband just wanted simple. He didn't want nothing. I asked him what side he would like with the chicken that night, and he just wanted it plain white rice. For Tuesday, we're going to have blueberry muffins for breakfast because I'm going to bake some blueberry muffins on Monday night with the girls, because I like to make blueberry muffins for the girls' breakfast, but also for desserts, for after school desserts or for their lunchbox desserts. And we're going to have sandwiches for lunch, and then for Tuesday night's dinner, we're going to have spaghetti with sausage. If you guys checked out my Food Friday video on how I save money on meat, I shared with you guys the sausages that I use to make, that I use to save money on. The sausages that I buy that I save money on, and I use that to make spaghetti with sausage, which I will put a link here if you haven't seen that video so that you can click and see that video as well. On Wednesday, we're going to have cereal for breakfast in the morning. We're going to have, for lunch, we're going to have the leftover spaghetti from the night before for lunch. I love all my meals. I like to double my recipe so that I have food for lunches for the rest of the week, so that we can save money and not buy fast food or buy school lunches. That night is breakfast or dinner night. Wednesday is always breakfast for dinner night. My girls love it, my husband loves it, and it's filling, and I never have to argue with anybody to eat that night because it's breakfast or dinner night. So we're gonna have pancakes, eggs, and bacon. Then for that Thursday morning, I'm gonna make extra pancakes that night so that I can have it that morning. So that's also a hack for the mom, so that you're not cooking in the mornings, especially like a working mom like me. I need to, you know, use my time wisely. So I make more pancakes at the night. Sorry guys, that was my phone. But anyways, I make extra pancakes that night so that I can have it for that morning. We're gonna have sandwiches for lunch. We're gonna have chicken fried rice for dinner that night. I have some leftover white rice. And what I like to do is I like to take my leftover white rice and my leftover meats that I necessarily did not use for a leftover and turn it into fried rice. So that's a great way to save money as well. On Friday, we're going to have eggs and toast for breakfast, and then we're going to have the fried rice for lunch, and then we're going to have leftovers on Friday. I told you guys before, I love to have leftovers on Friday because Friday is the day that I clean out my refrigerator and make my menu plan for the following week. And I will be making a video about my Friday routine as well. On Saturdays, we're going to have omelets. I'm trying to get healthy and working out again, so I want to make some power omelets. So we're going to make some omelets. And then we're going to have leftovers for lunch, because again, I like to get rid of all the food that was in my refrigerator that week so I can start the next week brand new. And then we're going to have breaded pork chops for dinner, and I haven't decided yet what side I want to have, but that I can decide that later on. But that is my menu plan for this week for my family. So that is what I'm serving my family for meals this week. I hope I gave you guys some ideas on maybe what to plan for your family this week or even tonight. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what you guys are serving your family for meals this week or tonight, so that I can get ideas for future meals, because I always get stuck in a rut like, what do I make? I don't want to make the same thing over and over again. And especially if it's a budget-friendly meal, I definitely want to know your ideas. So don't forget to leave that in the comments. Like this video if you want to see more videos like this, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. You know I'm going to say that because that way you guys can get notifications on all the new videos that I'm putting out, and I'm putting out a lot of good videos for you guys lately. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.